Your GA4 shows 40% direct traffic. Google Ads clicks are showing as organic, and the same purchase is counted 3 times. Your data is broken, and you are making decisions based on lies. In this video, I'll show you the 5 most common GA4 data quality issues and how to fix each one in under 5 minutes. Hi, I'm Zubayer, Marketing Attribution, Conversion Tracking, and Server-Side Tracking Specialist. I fix broken analytics for businesses that can't trust their GA4 data. Today, the 5 most common GA4 data quality issues that affect 80% of businesses and the exact fixes for each one. By the end of this video, your GA4 data will be accurate, your attribution will be clean, and you will actually know where your traffic comes from. Issue 1. High direct traffic. The problem: you open GA4, go to Reports, Acquisition, Traffic Acquisition. You see direct none, 40% of your traffic. That's impossible. Nobody types your URL directly that often. This is fake direct traffic. Direct traffic means no referrer data. 5 real causes: email links without UTMs, dark social like WhatsApp or Telegram, and QR codes without tracking. Also links inside PDFs and moving from HTTPS to non-secure HTTP pages. Browsers block the referrer. How to fix it? Fix 1. UTM tag every email link. Fix 2. UTM tag QR codes using a URL builder. Fix 3. Tag social bio links. Fix 4. Implement first-party cookies to preserve attribution for 90 days. Fix 5. Use server-side DTM to capture the referrer before client-side detect strip it. Result: direct traffic drops from 40% to 10%. Now you see email, social, and QR code traffic correctly attributed. Issue 2. Google Ads showing as organic. The problem: you're spending $5,000 per month on Google Ads. You check GA4. Traffic source shows Google/organic. Your paid clicks are being counted as free organic traffic. Your ROAS calculation is completely wrong. Auto tagging adds a glitch parameter, but something is skipping it before GA4 can read it. Common causes: auto tagging is off, manual UTMs are overriding it, or GLAD gets lost in redirects. Fix 1. Enable auto tagging in Google Ads settings. Fix 2. Never add manual UTM parameters, let GLAD handle it. Fix 3. If you have cross-domain tracking, check out on different domain, configure it in GA4. Admin data streams, configure tag settings, configure your domains, add both domains. Fix 4. Test it. Click your ad and check real-time reports. Source should be Google, medium CPC. Result: paid Google Ads traffic now shows as Google/CPC instead of Google/organic. Your ROAS is accurate. Issue 3. Session source shows not set or unassigned. The problem: GA4 reports show 20% of sessions with session source not set, session medium not set, or worse, unassigned. You have traffic but zero attribution data. This happens when the tag fires too early or redux step the referrer header before loading. Fix 1. Fire the GA4 tag on page load in GTM. Fix 2. Reduce redirect snack chains to a single direct jump. Fix 3. Always use UTMs on paid campaigns. Fix 4. Exclude your office IP in GA4 internal traffic filters. Fix 5. Implement server-side GTM. It captures the referrer before any client-side stripping happens. Issue 4. Duplicate transactions. The problem: you sold 10 products but GA4 shows 30 purchases. Revenue is 3x higher than reality. Your data is useless. Common causes: users reloading the thank you page or having multiple GA4 tags firing on the same site. Fix 1. Implement transaction underscore ID. GA4 deduplicates matching IDs automatically within 24 hours. Fix 2. Set GTM to fire only once per page. Fix 3. Remove any duplicate hardcode tags. Fix 4. Use event underscore ID for client/server deduplication. Fix 5. Use a session cookie to prevent refiring the purchase. Issue 5. Cross-domain tracking broken. The problem: when users move to a different checkout domain, GA4 sees them as two separate people. Attribution resets to referral. Fix 1. Add all domains in GA4 admin. Fix 2. Configure the linker in GTM so the G parameter passes between domains. Fix 3. Use the same measurement ID everywhere. Fix 4. Test by checking the URL for the gap parameter on the checkout page. Run a monthly audit. Direct traffic under 15%, unassigned under 5%, and revenue matching your store within 2%. In 2026, the businesses winning are the ones who trust their data because their data is accurate. Fix this today. If your GA4 is broken, I offer a free 30-minute audit where I'll review your property and give you a step-by-step fix. Get in touch via WhatsApp or book a call using the link in the description. Let's get your tracking future-proof. Subscribe for weekly tracking tutorials. I'm Zubayer Islam. Track revenue, not just clicks.